What's up, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Vin here, and yes, today we are back again with another fountain pen review. Now, you may have seen my last video, which you should go check it out right now, about the best starting fountain pens for beginners. Now, some of you who already have these pens may be thinking, what else is out there? What's the next level fountain pen? Well, today I'm going to be reviewing one of those pens, and it's the Lamy 2000, and we're about to jump into a close-up right now. Okay, so here we have the Lamy 2000, and what can I say? This is a beautiful fountain pen right here. It's made out of this beautiful Makrolon material, which actually feels really good in the hands. It has a nice grip to it. I can't explain it. It feels like it almost absorbs the moisture in your hands. So if you're writing for a longer period of time, this is definitely the pen to choose because it's going to be the most comfortable. Now, let's uncap the pen. And as you can see, it has this little snapping mechanism. You don't have to unscrew it like the other fountain pens I showed you. It's a snap in, and the cap actually hooks into these little rivets right over here by the nib section. And it just snaps in just like that. Very easy to do a quick write. If you're in class or at work and you have to take quick notes, you don't have to go through the process of unscrewing the cap. Just pop it open like that. And as you can see, the Lamy 2000 does have a hooded nib area. Most of the nib is covered, unlike most of the other pens I have. And right here we have the breather hole underneath. And it is a 14 karat gold nib. And I'm telling you guys, this has to be one of the smoothest nibs I have in my collection. Every time writing with this pen is like a damn dream. Moving up to the mid section of the pen, we do see a little ink window here. So when we're out of ink, we could tell if we need a refill, which is an awesome feature because some pens don't have this. And you're just writing and then all of a sudden, boom, it just stops and you're like, shit, I gotta refill my pen now. So the ink window is definitely clutch to have. Now you may be saying to yourself, how do you fill this pen? Well, guess what? This has a built-in piston filler mechanism, and I bet you guys can't really see it right now, but it's actually right here integrated into the pen. You untwist this, which will draw the piston filler up, and then you screw it back down to suck the ink up. And that's how the piston filler works on this pen, and it is beautifully integrated into the pen. I barely see it in there. I mean, if you're paying attention, you can see the seam, but before that, you can't really notice it at all. Now let's post the pen to see if it's postable. This pen is postable. It does have a nice feel in the hand. It is not heavy whatsoever, and I usually write with my pens unposted anyway. This is definitely the perfect size. Now let's get a close-up of the cap of this pen. It does say Lamy on the side of the clip, and this clip is actually very interesting. Unlike other pens where you pull up from the front, you can actually push down from the top here and clip it in, which is very easy and very convenient. We went over the main features of this pen. Let's fill this bad boy up and start the writing sample. And before we jump into the writing sample of this pen, I just want to show you guys the box that this pen came in. And it comes with this nice Lamy made in Germany sleeve right here. And we pull this off. This is the box that it did come in, and snap this open. And you can see nice felt material in here, made in Germany. And the pen was just chilling in here just like that. Now, let's get into the writing sample right now. Let's fill this bad boy up. And as I said before, you're gonna see this piston over here. What you wanna do is open it up, twist it just like that. Make sure it goes all the way up. Then when it goes all the way up, stick the nib down into the ink. And then you're gonna slowly draw the ink up. Just like that. And then tap it off. Wipe it off. Shout out to the Charmin toilet paper, my favorite paper in the game. And let's get into the writing sample. You guys, so let's jump into a writing sample now. As I said before, today we're writing with the Lamy 2000. This is a medium nib, 14 karat gold. And we are writing today on the Rhodia number 16 dot pad. We're writing with Pilot Hirosha Zuko. Hope I spelled that right. Konpeki, which is a beautiful blue ink, as you guys can see. Stay tuned for the full ink review on this. And I just want to show you guys a little writing sample first. It is a buttery smooth nib. There's no skipping involved here at all. Now let's try to get some line variation out of this pen. You get a few if you want to really push down hard on the nib, which I don't recommend because you're going to wind up breaking it. And when you complain that you broke your nib, don't come to me complaining. So, buttery smooth nib, doesn't skip a beat at all. Definitely one of my favorite fountain pens in my collection. And let's wrap this video up. So there you have it. That was a Lamy 2000. Amazing pen. I highly recommend this pen. I think you could pick it up on Amazon for around $125. Don't worry, I'll leave the link down in the description for you guys below. Stay tuned for the Pilot Roshizuku Konpeki ink review. And please like and subscribe to my channel. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take it easy. Peace.